Good morning, students. Last class we had learned about the characteristics as well as we had seen how the reproduction is carried out in the fungus. Today we will learn about the classification of fungi. As you people are knowing that the fungi have been classified into different ways by various mycologists. The study of fungi is known as your mycology, and the person who used to do the study of fungus is known as your mycologist. Okay, children. So they gave different classification. Sarcoda, then Guinea, Vegana, then Barnes, Basin. So many different scientists, they gave different opinion for the classification. What is the base of classification? The first thing, nature of somatic phase. Somatic phase means which type of cells are present. Then on the basis of mode of reproduction. What is the mode of reproduction? Whether saprophytic or obligate parasites and so on. Then kinds of spores, as we had studied, so many types of spores are there: Oidia, Conidiophore, zoospores, aplanospores. So on the basis of that, then kind of sporangia, nature of life cycle, whether the particular organism is showing the diplohaplontic life cycle or only haplontic life cycle, that we will see. Then presence and absence of sexual reproduction, that is, if that particular organism will having two different strains, then definitely that will go for the sexual reproduction. J.C. Anisworth, he gave in the year 1973 the classification, that is Mexicomycota and Eumycota. Mexicomycota is also known as your slime molds, and they are kept in the division in five kingdom. Okay, children. It is kept in Protestia as per the five kingdom classification. Then Eumycota, it is known as your true fungi because they are having the hyphae network, that is the mycelium will be there, and they are having presence or absence of your motile cells, means they can move, they can't move. So it is having one subdivision known as your Mysticomycotina, which will be motile, means it can move by any agent. Then perfect stage present. Zygomycotina subdivision is there, and Ascomycotina, Basidomycotina, the other subdivision. In this perfect stage is present. Here what happens, children? They will have one fixed place and they will go for the sexual reproduction after the different formation of your spores. Basidophores, ascospores, zygospores. Then perfect stage is absent. In this, motile cells will be there and the sexual reproduction will be absent. So the kingdom fungi is basically divided into two. One is your Mexicomycota and another one is your Eumycota. Mexicomycota, children, that is your imperfect fungi, and that one will be your perfect one. Okay, children. Then in detail we will learn one after the other. The first one, Masticomycetes or Oomycetes, they will have the oogamous type of sexual reproduction. Large spherical shaped female gamete will be there and small male gamete will be there. Non-septate body will be there. Synocytic hyphae, so many hyphae will be there. Diploid phase will be there. Cell wall consisting of polysaccharides and cellulose. Then flagellates will be there. Okay, children. Zygomycetes characteristic is that terrestrial moles are known as your zygomycetes. Generally, they are saprophytics. They are parasitic in nature. Without septa, they are present. Fungus chitin, that is the cell wall is made up of cellulose known as your chitin. Sporangiospores will be there. Then chlamydiospores are present. Genital copulation is going to take place. Then after that, zygospores are present. That zygospores are going to be germinate and they will form zygosporangia. Then they will go for the new mycelium and that will be known as your zygomycetes. Will have two orders, mucorales and entomophotorales. Okay, children. So these two are present, and as you can see in the figure how it is. thread-like structure and one lobe is present, that is known as your sporangia. Then ascomycetes, it will have a sac-like fungus, okay, and it is also known as your yeast brown, green, pink, different shapes are there. They are different colors, and along with that shape is there, that is cup-like structure will be there. Okay, children. Typical characteristics: somatic phase will be present. Incomplete septation means the division will be there, but that division is also not completely present. Somehow it will be there. Hyphae may be fused with each other. Ascospores will be endogenous in origin. Okay, endogenous means within the cell only. And how the ascospores will be there, as you can see the figure, this spherical shaped structure that is known as paraphysis, within that so many ascus are there, that is so many spores will be present, generally 8 in number, and when they will burst, each spore is capable to develop the complete organism. In asexual reproduction, that will form the conidia by the conidiophore. Okay, children. And motile cells are absent. Asci, most cases, they will group together to form a complex body called ascospores. Three types are there: apothecium, perithecium, and clistothecium. Apothecium cup shape, perithecium flask-like, and clistothecium spherical or closed ascospore. Basidomycetes, by the name itself, it is clear that it is having one fixed base at the bottom. Puffballs, mushrooms, bracts fungi, which we used to consume also, that all mushrooms are not that all, but somehow it will be included in this group. 25,000 species are present. Large number of species are included here. Characteristics: they may be parasitic, saprophytic, and they may be perennial in growth. After that, paralyze the wood roots, stem, leaves, etc. Moist decaying woods will be there, bark, rotten logs, dung, etc. Mycelium will be septate, division will be there. No motile structure is there in the life cycle. Fruiting body is formed, which is very complex, called as basidocarp. This basidocarp bears reproductive structure called as basidia. Okay, children. Mushroom is the best example which you used to consume, and at the bottom they will have the rhizomorphs, that is thin thread-like structure. It may have different colors such as white, yellow, orange. See the structure. These are the spores known as your smut. Figure number A, mushroom-like structure. Figure number B, plant and leaf of the wheat going to be affected, that infected wheat. Ditromycetes. Ditromycetes is the process of multiplication by asexual means, and they are known as your imperfect stage. Actually, they are looking like fungus, but actually they are little bit different from the fungi. Then after that, some characteristics of Ditromycetes are, 1 minute. Before that, children, you can see the above figure how the cells are present of that mushroom. Okay, mushroom is there. Then the leaves of your wheat, that is going to be affected by the disease of fungus known as your black rust. Black powdery like substance is going to be released out from the leaf of the wheat. Then infected ear of the wheat. Ear means the upper portion. Okay, children. Then smut spores, they will be powdery like. You have seen in wheat, when the insect is going to be attacked to the wheat, what happens? The wheat will be convert into powdery like substance. Okay, children. Characteristics of Ditromycetes: the somatic phase is present in that, and Oidian chlamydospores are present. After that, the ascospores, basidiophores, this all are present there. Children, in all the classes, just you make one comparative table, and what is the difference that you noted down, and what is common that also you noted down, so that it will be easier to recognize that which will be included in this class or that class. Okay, children. Next class we will continue about the economic importance and the liking. I hope you people are preparing the notes, prepare the notes and study very well. Thank you, children. Take care.